What's poppin', everybody? It's your girl Amber Mariah, and I'm back with another fire video. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about editing tips. I'm going to be doing that every Tuesday, so stay tuned. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Thank you so much for joining me. Make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. So first thing that you're going to want to do is download YouTube Studio, okay? Make sure that's already downloaded. It's not even an option, sis. Let me tell you, you need it. Okay, not only is this app great for thumbnails, but you'll also be able to check your subscriber count, your watch time, how many views you're getting, your revenue, all of that, okay? So, basically, to add a thumbnail, all you have to do is click on the video that you're editing. You can go ahead and upload it from the YouTube app, and then you're going to go into YouTube Studio. Scroll down to the actual video. It could be loading or it could be an old video. Just click on that video, okay? Right where it has the little pencil at the top right-hand corner, you're going to want to click on that. Then once you get to that screen, all you have to do is click on Edit Thumbnail. Right now it says change because I've already added a thumbnail. Usually it'll say custom. So once you get to this page, you can choose from one of YouTube's custom images, that it got from the video, or you can create your own picture, and then you just click on custom, or you click on that picture, and you just choose the picture that you want, and that is pretty much it. You click on the picture that you want, you save the changes, and then it's uploaded to that video. So even while you're still loading the video, it's already on there. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns in the comment section below. If there's something else you're curious about, let me know and I'll help you. Until next time, peace.